Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Nicola and welcome, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of Birchbox. Birchbox is a monthly subscription box where you pay £10 a month plus £2.95 shipping. You get up to 5 products, full size and deluxe size minis. When you sign up in February, they are giving you a free eyeshadow palette worth £23 when you use the code LATTE. So if anybody's interested in that, just hop onto the Birchbox. When you're checking out, put LATTE in the discount bar and you will get a free eyeshadow palette, which is really good. So let's jump into it. Like this, and it's like a little drawer thing, which is kind of cute. There's always different designs each month. This is the January box. I know we're into February, but I only got this yesterday, so I thought I would film an unboxing with it. It looks like this, and it's got the pamphlet with all the information, and this is all the goodies we've got. First item is this. It is a Dr. Botanicals cleansing bar in pomegranate, superfood or cocoa and coconut. Gentle enough for face and body, this is more than your average bar of soap. Formulated with 98% natural ingredients, it will cleanse, exfoliate and restore your natural glow. Lather using your hands, massage in and rinse well to reveal a naturally radiant complexion. It's cleansing at its simplest and most effective. And this is worth £5.90, and I got the lemon superfood nourishing and balancing cleansing bar. So I shall open it up, show you what it looks like. So yeah, it's just a bar of soap basically. It's not, you can just smell a bit of lemon, it's not too overpowering, which is kind of nice. So yeah, that's not bad. The next product is by Palmer's, and it's a firming lotion. Now I've used just a basic body lotion and I've always liked it. I like the smelly coconut. This is obviously just a travel sized. This cocoa butter lotion sinks into skin instantly, so its powerful ingredients can get to work nourishing, smoothing and firming your skin. With the help of vitamin E, collagen, elastin and shea butter, it works to rejuvenate tired limbs and improve the texture and tone of your skin. For the full size of this, it is worth £7.99. So yeah. The next one is this, and this is Philip Kingsley Flaky and Itchy Shampoo. Want strong shiny hair? Get to the root of the issue by showing your scalp some TLC. This soothing formula gently cleanses the skin on your head, effectively an extension of the skin on your face, to leave it soft and healthy like your strands. Just massage thoroughly into your scalp, then rinse clean. So that, the full size product is worth £24. Obviously this is just a little mini travel sized. Oh yeah, this should last a bit if it's just for your scalp. It smells really nice. I've never heard of this brand, so it'll be interesting to see. The next item is this, and it is a Clee Cosmetics Essence Moonlighter Cushion Highlighter, and the two shades available were Apricot Tinge or Copper Rose, and I got Apricot Tinge. Infused with luminescent pearl powder, this innovative highlighter delivers a beautiful gleam to your skin, Plus it has an amazing cooling sensation when applied. Using the applicator puff or your fingers, smooth onto your cheekbones, down your nose and beneath your brows for instant radiance. Glow get it. Yeah, I've never tried anything that's cushion. You know how you get cushion foundations and that. So you get the wee puff, and like that. And I will put it here. You see that a bit? Yeah. So yeah, it's really nice. So this product is worth £22. The next one is this. And this is called After Spa. It's a facial micro scrubber. When it comes to washing your face, your cleanser will work a lot harder with a sidekick. The dual texture facial tool helps to remove the dirt, oil and impurities in your skin that your hands can't. Apply your usual cleanser, then work the damp scrubber over your skin, rinse clean and hang to dry when you're finished. And this is worth £7, and that's our 5 products, but they've gave us a little extra thing, and these are little pom-pom ties for your hair, which are really cute. I really like them. I like to tie my hair up now and again, so yeah, these will come in handy. They're really cute. Ponytails, braids and top knots. When you need to pull your hair back, it's likely that you do it in a variety of ways. So why rely on your boring black hairband to tie it up? Inspired by this month's theme, these pom-pom topped hair ties add a colourful finishing touch to whatever hairstyle you're rocking. So yeah, that is what's in the box this month. Well, not this month, January. I've been getting Birchbox for maybe 3 months now, and it's okay at times. I think this has been one of the best boxes I've had. When I first opened it, I was quite surprised, I have to say. But like I said in the beginning, if you want to join up for February's box, they're doing a deal where you get a free eyeshadow palette using the word latte. It's worth £23, so yeah, that's really good. I would recommend this box. It is a really good box, but this month has been really good. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a video. And if you like this video, give it a big like and comment down below if you get your own subscription box or if you want to know any more details about it. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.